I am a full stack developer with over a year of hands-on experience helping startups and businesses turns ideas into smart and scalable web applications. I am a hardworking, passionate, adaptive about solving real-world problems through clean and maintainable code. I speak both tech and businesses, so whether you are a founder or a product manager, I shall keep communication clear and progress steady. My development process covers everything from feasibility testing to final deployment. Here, how I typically work includes few points I would like to mention. First of all, understand your idea and test its feasibility. And second thing, define clear and technical and business requirements. And if you have not user interfaces, will help you in creating these. And the fourth thing is developing both front-end and backend using diverse technologies like React.js, Vue.js, Django, FastAPI, PHP Laravel, and Flask, Django REST framework, and much more. Design, and the fifth thing is designing and integrating scalable databases, provide seamless deployment using tools like AWS or Docker, Vercel, and Git. And the most final thing is full production support for 3 months after product launch. Whether you are building an MVP or a dashboard or an AI enabled systems, I got you covered end to end. If you are looking for a developer who can plan, build, and deliver a complete solution from scratch to scale, let's connect. Click the invite button and let's start building something awesome. Thank you. Have a nice day.